Imagine you applied for a US visa or a green card or even a citizenship. You're waiting months by months and then years, and suddenly everything is paused. Hi, this is Nabibal and you're watching TimesXP. The US Department of Homeland Security has quietly expanded the immigration restrictions, adding 20 more countries to the list where immigration applications are now being frozen. Not rejected, not approved, just stuck. USCIS has announced that it will pause the reviews for visa, green card, asylum, and citizenship applications from people belonging to these 20 countries. Even more, old approvals dating back in 2021 can be rechecked again. This affects people from countries like Afghanistan, Haiti, Iran, Nigeria, Venezuela, Sudan, Syria, and many more. If you're an Indian living abroad, here's why this matters to you. Because this shows how fast immigration rules are changing, even for the people who followed the law. Applications will still be processed, but not final decisions will be made. That means files can sit on the desk forever. Some people may get interview calls years later. Even family-based cases, spouses, parents, children are no longer automatically safe. But USCIS says that this pause is about national security, fraud, and high overstay rates. The government claims that it needs time-to-time recheck to who is ready inside the US, especially people who re-entered during the early administrations. Now, there's the scary part. There is no clear timelines for when this pause will actually end. People are calling it legal limbo, where your plans, career, education, and family decisions are all frozen. The United States has said applications are not automatically denied, but delays itself can destroy the lives. These are the few exemptions, like athletes and staff connected to the major global events. But for the normal immigrants, uncertainty is now the new reality. Some lawyers say that people can file something called as a mandamus lawsuit. It doesn't ask the court to approve your case, it simply asks the government, what exactly are you doing? And why is this taking too long? Basically putting up a question. But even the option isn't not for everyone. Now the big question comes in, is this about scrutiny, security, or this is just the beginning of much tougher immigration era? And for Indians abroad, this is a reminder. Immigration systems are not permanent promises, they are political tools and they can change overnight. So stay informed because geopolitics and silence often comes before the impact.